Hi everyone, this is Chandni Singh and welcome back to my channel. This is a continuation of my video where I had done a previous video where I had spoken about my favorite products that are priced up to rupees 500, and this video we are going to talk about my favorite products priced between rupees 500 and 1000. Right, so I'm gonna not take up too much time, but I'm still gonna ask you a question that have you subscribed to my channel yet? If not, please subscribe. I promise you 2 videos every week, loaded with a lot of information. So without wasting much time, I'm just going to progress. I'm going to start with the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I don't think this is just my favorite. I see a lot of makeup artists across the world use this product. When I chanced upon this product almost 2 years ago, I was baffled as to how fabulous it was. The coverage is great. At the same time, it's, it's not too much, it's not too little, it gives the right coverage. And what I absolutely love about the brand is the number of colors that they've given us. Be it a peach corrector, orange corrector, a good concealer, and a color to highlight your face. This brand has got it all. It's priced at $595. However, at our studio, we give you a discount, and these are priced at 510 rupees. Absolutely recommend it for everything, be it color correction. They're peach, orange, yellow, green, amazing correctors. They're concealers, shades. If you're somebody who wants to understand what concealer shade works for you, you can walk into a studio. We'll be happy to show it to you, and you can buy the product as well. The foundation that I like, priced at 525 rupees, is the Maybelline Fit Me. Absolutely love all the colors. They've also got a matte, and they have a matte range, and they also have a dewy range, and they both are texture wise brilliant, color wise brilliant. If you're looking for a good affordable everyday foundation, Maybelline Fit Me it is. However, for professional use, no, I wouldn't recommend this for professional use. The Duo Lash Glue, I don't know which makeup artist does not use it. Now I keep hearing a lot about black Huda lash glue and the black glue from Duo. However, my personal favorite is the one in the tube, and I also like the one which comes with an applicator. These are priced at 850 rupees. We sell it as well, original authentic Duo lash glue. I see a lot of copies of it in the market. So I've been using this for maybe 14 years now. Since I became a makeup artist, I've only been using the Duo lash glue. Love it. In fact, I prefer it over the Huda. Why? Because in a Huda lash glue, even by mistake, once you're touching the lash to the lid, even by mistake, if you just kind of touch the lid above, the black glue color leaves a stain which is impossible to remove without ruining your eyeshadow. So I feel with the Duo, it is clear. If you do not apply too much, you don't even need to apply your eyeliner. However, of course, you apply a little bit extra. You might have to cover it with your eyeliner, but nevertheless, I love this glue. And now that I spoke about the glue, I'm going to talk about the CS Essentials Mink Lashes. This is our brand. Please follow our page CS Essentials India on Instagram. Our mink lashes are priced at 750 rupees. They come with a thin band. The band is not very thick or stiff. Easy to use, and of course can be reused up to 20 times. A good affordable highlighter, it does not get better than the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter. The shade I'm particularly talking about is Precious Petals. This one is priced at 599 rupees. I love how it shines on the skin. Also, it's not like a gold color, it's more like a rose gold, and it's beautiful. The next product I'm going to talk about is a shimmer highlighter from Makeup Revolution. It's called the Liquid Highlighter. They've copied the Cover FX drops, and I must say that they've copied it really well. Comes in a lot of colors. My most favorite color is the Liquid Bronze Gold. I use it all the time. Goes onto the skin beautifully, does not leave a patch, and it does not have very chunky glitter also in it. Beautiful soft shimmer and moves on beautiful on skin. The Makeup Revolution Liquid Highlighter is priced at 800 rupees. Also available at my studio for sale. The LA Girl Pro Prep HD High Definition Smoothing Primer priced at 850 rupees. Absolutely brilliant. So in my previous series where I have spoken about a Blue Heaven primer which is priced at 300 rupees, this one is definitely better. I'll compare the texture and the performance of this primer to a Smashbox Photo Finish primer, which is one of my most favorite primers. But if you're looking to spend anything less than 1000 rupees, the LA Girl primer is brilliant. Another big question that is asked me all the time, a good affordable palette, and I have to give the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Neutrals 2 a mention. This is priced at 850 rupees. Beautiful peaches and pinks. Yes, it does not have any very dark colors, but yes, has got a beautiful mix of shimmer and matte colors. If you love soft peachy pinks, this is the palette you need to invest in. I use it professionally for my makeups as well. It is absolutely gorgeous. So when we talk about blending all that makeup, I have to mention about RCS Essentials Beauty Blender. This baby is priced at 800 rupees. We just recently launched it and it's absolutely gorgeous. You are going to love it. It does not soak up too much of your product. Also seamlessly blends out any liquid and cream products on the skin. A must buy for anybody who's going to apply makeup on their face. I'm going to talk about lip liners from Colorbar. I've been using these lip liners for close to 4 years and I absolutely love them. They are priced at $5.99. I love most of the colors, of course not all of them. And I love how the pencil is a rather big pencil, and I also love the fact that it comes with a sharpener at the other end. And these pencils glide onto the lip like a dream. Even if your lip is extremely dry or chapped, it will still seamlessly glide over your lips and is very, very long lasting. A good affordable contour palette is the Makeup Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit. The shade I'm showing you is C04. If you've been seeing my videos, I use this a lot and I absolutely recommend it. The color is going to work for most Indian skin tones except somebody who is very, very dark. I don't recommend this product for them. But yes, love the color, love the texture, blends on the skin like a dream, does not become patchy or anything. A good brow pomade for less than 1000 bucks has to be the Makeup Revolution brow pomade. I am showing you the color chocolate. Please see, my pot is empty. You can see how much I use it. Absolutely love it. Price at 850 rupees. And do I need to say that all authentic LA Makeup Revolution products are available at my studio for sale in Lajpat Nagar, and it's also available online and we deliver pan-India. Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. This is the shade that I'm showing you is Lace. It also comes in a color called Banana. I recommend both the colors. It's priced at 850 rupees. They give you a liberal amount. I also like the packaging where you can literally just dust the product out on a plate or whatever on your hand and apply it. The texture is really thin, does not make your face look chalky or anything. I'm also going to show you the Sephora single eyeshadow. Now, they have so many colors in it. Oh my god, don't ask. And I like so many of the colors. However, a special mention for the shade called Girls Night Out. I think this is my third eyeshadow in the last 5 years. I love this color. It's a beautiful antique gold. They have a lot of colors. Of course, I don't love all the colors, but this one, and I would easily say about 10 more shades from this same range, price is 750 rupees, is absolutely worth your money. The next product is the NYX Micro Contour Duo Pencil. So I recently discovered these pencils, which in fact, ideally what they are saying is to contour your nose and to give yourself a lip contour. However, I've been contouring the face with it and I absolutely love the texture, the colors they've given. The only downside is that I like the darker color more than the lighter colors they've given. And they've given 2 shades to me. There's a shade which is called, one color is called Deep and the other color that is Medium Deep. And I definitely prefer the deep color. I think it's beautiful. I use the medium deep more for like a nose contour because I personally do not like very, very strong color on the nose for contour. One downside of it is that sharpening it is not very easy. However, I still love the pencil, though I kind of struggle to sharpen it. But for 600 rupees and for the convenience of how you can easily draw a line, I think it's absolutely brilliant. I have to mention the NYX soft matte lip creams. I think everybody's used them, everybody loves them, and I love the number of colors NYX has given. It's got like maybe 10 options in a nude color and 10 options in reds and 10 options in pink and deep burgundies and black and purple, and you name it and it's there. 600 rupees, this baby is a dream. The next product I'm going to talk about is the LA Girl Pro Setting High Definition Setting Spray Long Lasting in Matte Finish. I love this product. It's priced at 850 rupees. If you apply this, your makeup is going to stay in place for close to 10 hours. A brilliant product for women with oily skin, and I also feel that, especially with the amount of shimmer we go on to the skin these days, if you kind of set it in place with the LA Girl setting spray, it does not kind of shine too much like a disco ball maybe 4 or 5 hours later. Hi everyone, so I hope you like the list of products that I've shown you. I hope they work for you. If they do let me know in the comments. And in case you try something on my recommendation, do give me your feedback as well. However, I would like to mention that it's not important that if something works for me, it works for you as well, because a lot of products, how they work would depend on how you use them, and maybe the technique you use and maybe the technique I use is different. The products I've mentioned is just because I've used them over a period of time and I've really liked the way they move on skin in general. And of course, I do a lot of makeups, so I do keep comparing any new product that I get to something old that I used to use previously. But nevertheless, I hope this video helped you. Do let me know in the comments, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now. Take care everyone.